Good morning. Welcome to MADS Gurukul channel. How are you? I hope you will be healthy and happy. One request to you, please subscribe this channel and share this video to your classmates. Today I am going to start a new lesson, exercise 5.3. Okay. Exercise 5.3. First question say find the sum of the following APs. The first 2, 7, 12 to 10th terms. Okay. Now the first question given A is equal to 2, D is equal to second term minus first term is equal to 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. N is equal to 10. We know that Sn, sum of n term is equal to, sum of n term in AP is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Is therefore S10, n is equal to 10, so S10 is equal to 10 by 2 into 2 into 2 plus 10 minus 1 into 5. 2 5 are 10, 5 into 2 2 are 4 plus 10 minus 1 9, 9 5 are 9 into 5 is equal to 5 into 4 plus 45 is equal to 5 into 45 plus 4 49. So you multiply 49 by 5, then 9 5 are 45, 5 5 4 are 20 and 5 25, 200 44, 9 4 are 45 in hand, 4 5 4 are 20, 24 and 4 24, 245 answer. The next second question, minus 37, minus 33, minus 29, comma dot to 12 terms. Now, given A is equal to minus 37, D is equal to second term minus first term is equal to minus 33 plus 37 is equal to 4. N is equal to 12. We know that Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Therefore S12 is equal to 12 by 2 into 2 into minus 37 plus 12 minus 1 into 4 is equal to 2 6 are 12, 6 into 7 minus 7 2 are 14, 3 2 are 6 1 7. Minus 74 plus 11 into 4 is equal to 6. Minus 74 plus 44 is equal to 6 into minus 437 minus 30 is equal to minus 180 answer. The next question, question number 3. Question number 3, 0.6, 1.7, 2.8, comma dot to 100 terms. given A is equal to 0.6, D is equal to second term 1.7 minus first term 0.6 is equal to 1.1, N is equal to 100. We know that Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Therefore S100 is equal to 100 by 2 into 0.6 plus 100 minus 1 into 1.1 is equal to 50 into 2 into 0.6, 6 2 are 12. It means 1.2 plus 99 into 1.1. 50 into 1.2 plus 11,999, 11,999 and 100, 108, 108.9 is equal to 50 into 9 to 11, 8 1 9 1 10, 11, 110 in 10 in 0.1. So you multiply, then 5 0 515 515 5505 answer. Now the next question, question number 4. 1.15, 1.12, 1.10 comma dot dot to 11 terms. Given A is equal to 1 by 15, D is equal to second term 1 by 12 minus 1 by 15. So LCM 12 and 15 is 60. So 5 minus 4 is equal to 1 by 60. N is equal to 11. We know that Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Therefore S11 is equal to 11 by 2 into a 1 by 15 plus 11 minus 1 into 1 by 60 is equal to 11 by 2, this is 2 by 15 plus 10 into 1 by 60. 11 by 2 LCM 60. So 15 4 24 to 8 plus 10 is equal to 11 by 2 into 18 by 60. Now 2 9 are 18, 3 3 are 9, 3 2 are 3 20 are 60. So 11 3 are 33 by 20 answer. Now question number 2. Find the sums given below. 7 plus 10 upon 1 by 2 plus 14 plus dot 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 plus 84. Solution to 1. Given A is equal to 7, D is equal to second term minus first term. So 20 and 21 by 2 minus 7. So LCM is 2, 21 minus 14 is equal to 7 by 2. L is equal to last term is equal to 84. So first we have to find n. Now because L is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, therefore 84 is equal to 7 plus n minus 1 into 7 by 2, implies 84 minus 7 is equal to n minus 1 into 7 by 2, implies 14 minus 7 is equal to 7, and this is 7 is equal to n minus 1 into 7 by 2. 7 11 are 77. So 11 2 by 2 go to the other side, then multiply is equal to n minus 1, implies 11 22 minus 1 go to other side, plus 1 is equal to n, therefore n is equal to 23. Now we know that Sn is equal to, the other formula of Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l is equal to 23 by 2 into a 7 plus l 84 is equal to 23 by 2 into 7 and plus 4 11 81 91 819, so 91 is equal to 23 into 91 by 2. When you multiply, then 313 9 3 are 27 and 2 1 2 27 and 2 29 9 2 9 2 are 18 and 2 20, 2093 by 2 answer. Now the next question, second, 34 32 33 34 plus 32 plus 30 plus dot 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 plus 10, given a is equal to 34, d is equal to 32 minus 34 is equal to 2, l is equal to 10. Because l is equal to a plus n minus 1 into, therefore 10 is equal to 34 plus n minus 1 into 2, implies 10 minus 34 is equal to n minus 1 into 2. Minus 24 is equal to n minus 1 into 2. Sorry, this is minus 2. 2 12 are 24, cancel, implies 12 is equal to n minus 1, implies 12 plus 1 is equal to n, therefore n is equal to 13. Now we know that Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l, therefore S13 is equal to 13 by 2 into 34 plus l 10 is equal to 13 by 2 into 44, 2 divided 44, then we get 22, 2 2 are 4 and 2 2 are 4, so 13 into 12 13 to 26, 13 to 26 and to 28, 286. Your answer is 286. Now the next question, question number 3. The question number 3, minus 5 plus minus 8 plus minus 11 plus dot 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 plus minus 230. Now given a is equal to minus 5, d is equal to minus 8 second term minus first term minus 5 is equal to minus 8 plus 5 is equal to minus 3 is equal to minus 230. Last term minus 230. Because L is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, therefore minus 230 is equal to minus 5 plus n minus 1 into d minus 3 plus minus 230 plus 5 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 3 implies minus 225 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 3. Now divided 225 by 3, then 3 7 are 21, 15 3 5 are 15, minus minus cancel implies 75 is equal to n minus 1 implies 75 plus 1 is equal to n, therefore n is equal to 76. We know that Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l, therefore A76 is equal to n by 2, 76 by 2 into minus 5 plus minus 30 is equal to 76 by 2 into minus 235 is equal to 76 divided by 2, then 2 3 are 6, 2 8 are 60, 38. So 38 into minus 235. Now we multiply 235 by 38, then we get 235 into 38, 8 5 40, 8 here 24 and 4 28, 8 2 are 16, 17 18, 15 9 1 10, 6 1 7, 0 8 5 3 8 1 9 7 1 8, 8 minus 8930 answer. Now the next question, question number 3. In an AP, one given a is equal to 5, d is equal to 3, n is equal to 50, find n and solution. 3 1. Given a is equal to 5, d is equal to 3, n is equal to 50. Now because n is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, therefore 50 is equal to 5 plus n minus 1 into 3 implies 50 minus 5 is equal to n minus 1 into 3 implies 45 is equal to n minus 1 into 3, 3 15 are 45 implies 15 is equal to n minus 1 implies 15 plus 1 is equal to n, therefore n is equal to 16. Now the second Sn, we know that Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Therefore S16 is equal to 60 by 2 into 2 into 5 plus 16 minus 1 into 3. 2 8 are 16, 8, 5 2 are 10 plus 15 into 3, 8 into 10 plus 15, 3 are 45, 8 into 55 is equal to 8 5 are 40, G 4 8 5 40 and 4 44. So your answer is hence n is equal to 16 and n is equal to, or we can say also S16 is equal to 440 answer. Now I am giving you a question for practice. Okay, now I am giving only one question for your practice. The question is, find the sum of the first 22 terms of AP 8 3 minus 2 dot dot dot. Okay, that's all. Thank you.